WhatsApp is the most popular messaging platform with millions of users globally, with its focus on user privacy, offering a range of features to safeguard conversations, one of which is the chat lock feature. This feature lets users secure specific chats with an additional layer of protection, such as a password, a fingerprint, or Face ID. If you're seeking ways to unlock WhatsApp chats, then GadInsider's got you a guide that'll walk you through the process of unlocking WhatsApp chats on Android and iOS. When it's time to access your locked chats, the process is straightforward. Here's a detailed guide compiled for you on how to unlock chats on Android and iOS devices. For Android, open WhatsApp and scroll to the top of the chat list. Tap on the Locked Chats folder. Authenticate using your fingerprint, PIN, or pattern. Choose the chat you want to view. While in the locked chat, tap on the contact or group's name. Navigate to Chat Lock and disable the toggle. The chat will now return to the main chat list without requiring authentication. For iOS, open WhatsApp and navigate to the Locked Chat section. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Choose the desired chat to access it and long press the contact's name at the top to open chat settings. Tap on the Unlock Chat option. The chat will appear in your main chat list without any lock. WhatsApp's chat lock feature provides multiple benefits, making it an essential tool for privacy-conscious individuals. First off, improved privacy, keeping sensitive conversations secure from prying eyes, especially on shared devices. Selective locking, lock only specific chats instead of the entire app, offering greater flexibility. Hidden notifications, notifications from locked chats are hidden to prevent unauthorized access. Multiple security options, use PIN, password, fingerprint, or Face ID to protect your chats based on your preference and device capabilities. Separate folder, locked chats are stored in a dedicated folder, keeping them organized and out of sight.